Good morning, Apfel Dr. Germany. My name is Ben and welcome to the micro soldering show. And today we start right away with this beautiful device, iPhone 6s, mailed in for data recovery after water damage. So let's have a look what we can see there. Hope we got a little bit more work, but not too much because I only have about 15 minutes today morning. Because Ilya visits us for 2 days and he is a machine in MacBook repair and theory skills. So he will arrive in about 20 minutes. So I only have some minutes to do a short video for you, and I hope you will like it anyway. So let's have a look what we got here. Just get it right on DC power supply to see what's the problem with this phone, okay? So we just need that. Plug it in and let's see what we get there. Ciao. And I see no we got a short about 20 milliamps. And what is when we try to boot? There is nothing when we try to boot, and about 20 milliamps short. So let's just 1 moment. It's a customer phone which is ringing. Okay, done. So let's have a look. What do we got here? Oh, okay. Do you see the corrosion here? But not bad at all. I think this should really be no problem to fix. So let's take out the board and let's see what we got here. There are no screws in it. Somebody already tried to do something, but he didn't. He was not successful. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what we got here. Backside. Okay, only some water rests, but not hard at all. Okay, let's get up the glue stick a little bit better. Looks nicer when we do it with hot air. To lose the glue on the under the sticker. Okay. Let's get it away. Come on, little sticker. I want to lose you. I want to lose you to see more. Okay. Okay. Do you see that? Corrosion on the chestnut. So let's take some contact cleaner. area looks better, but we have to take out chestnut because there's corrosion. Now we have to lift up these glue sticks around the FPCs. I have to get a new tweezers because mine are really fucked up. Let's have a look if I got some here, or if I have to go to the board level repair school next door. Here we have here we have new ones. Okay, get a new one. Oh, looks nice. New tweezers, great. Hope they work better. I don't like these glue sticks. Sometimes you can just peel them off without any problem, and some other times you have to rip on it. It's not a nice thing, but okay, we have to do. See here corrosion on the back camera IC, under the back camera IC, but we just want to get out the data, so it's not for full function, it's only for data. So we have just to take a look that the device boots and gives us an image and touch, and we can take out the data. So let's go. We take out chestnut. You have to work with your eyes on these damages. I don't like ultrasonic cleaning, because when you do ultrasonic cleaning you miss the areas where you can see rests of water or corrosion. So it makes much harder for you to get the fault, to find the fault. So I never use ultrasonic cleaning. A long time ago I used, but I would never use again ultrasonic cleaning. Not for work on water damages. Not at all. What we see here, we'll get corrosion too. We will just clean it. Okay, so we moved away the corrosion. Corrosion here in this area we can remove too. And now let's take a new chestnut. And sit it down. Get it down here. without preheater at the moment because I didn't have preheater on today morning. So in a minute I will start the preheater and then use for all my other repairs. But now for this fast and easy job we don't need it. Okay. Looks good. And again the phone of the customer. So now let's see the other side of the board. Okay. Move away the corrosion here. So we only need it booting. So I think that could be enough. What about the connectors? Oh, we take another screen. One moment. Morgen. So we take that 6S screen and get it hooked on. Okay. So hook it on to the FPC. It's 6S, it's okay. Just had to take a look. Okay, get on the home button. And now we can just see if our short has gone. So short has gone, and now let's have a look if we can see something. And yeah, we are here. It gives us an image and it boots. So now let's have a look if it boots completely. And if it does like that, we can save the important data for our customer. And we are back to life again, baby. Yeah. Nice. Nice one. Okay, that's the cam. We don't need it anymore. The only thing we had to do was having a clear look where we find the corrosion, remove the corrosion, replace chestnut. I think we could have reballed too, but we just renewed it because that's a faster way now. And then we can boot the device, get the important data, and our customer's happy, we are happy, all is fine. The day starts nice. Okay, let's wait for the boot, and here we are. We got touch again. That it lags. It's not a PPGPU coil or a cap. It's just because it's hanging on DC power supply, and then it's a little bit slower in the reaction. Okay, phone is working again. Data are back, and this is all. Only 15 minutes, fast job, fast data rescue, and you see, always use your head and use your eyes. It's important to use your eyes to see the area of the board which has corrosion. So never use ultrasonic cleaning, never use rice when you got when you got water damage. Just disconnect the battery and then get to a shop to repair a technician who knows what he does for fixing. Okay. I hope you liked the video. When you are a repair technician or working in the repair industry for smartphones or a seller of goods for the repair industry, you can come to our smartphone repair group on Smartphone Repair Club Germany on Facebook, and yeah, like us on Instagram for micro soldering. And if you want to learn things like that, you can do that on the portal at Repair School Germany. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Yours Ben. Goodbye.